In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Drive desktop app, a convenient tool that allows seamless syncing between your computer and your cloud storage. To get started, open your internet browser and type "Download Google Drive" in the search bar. This might seem like a straightforward step, but it's crucial because it directs you to the official Google Drive download page. This ensures that you're heading to a trusted source for your download. Once you've entered the search, go through the results and click on the link that reads "Download Google Drive." This link takes you to Google's official site, and that's important because downloading software from other sources might not be safe. Using the official site is always the best practice to avoid any unwanted software installations or potential security risks. As you're brought to the download page, you'll notice a prominent button labeled "Download Drive for Desktop." Go ahead and click on it. The download should automatically begin, but if it doesn't, you might receive a prompt asking you to save the file manually. At this stage, choose your preferred location on your computer for saving the setup file, whether that's in the default Downloads folder or another specific area you like to use for downloads. Once the file has finished downloading, locate it in the folder you've saved it in. If you're using a Windows computer, the file will have a .exe extension. For Mac users, it will appear as a .dmg file. Double-click on this file to initiate the installation process. This will launch the installer, and you might see a security window pop up. Simply click "Yes" to allow the installer to run. Rest assured, this is a safe step since it's a verified Google product, widely used and trusted. With the installer open, you should see an Install button that's easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to move forward. This action begins the process of copying the necessary files over to your hard drive. And it will set up the application to ensure it runs smoothly. The time it takes to complete the installation can vary based on your computer's specifications, but generally, it shouldn't keep you waiting too long. Once the installation wraps up, you'll see an option to launch the app directly from the Setup Completion screen. Click on Launch, and the Google Drive app will open, prompting you to sign in. Use the Google account associated with the files you wish to sync to ensure everything lines up correctly. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully installed the Google Drive desktop app on your computer. Now you have the power to manage your files, sync them effortlessly, and access them from anywhere. Should you run into any hiccups, be sure to check your internet connection or consider restarting your device. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of having your files always within reach.